Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your go-to spot for natural skincare. Let me ask you, are you dealing with stubborn acne, dark sunspots, or uneven skin tone that just won't go away? Are you tired of expensive skincare that never delivers results? Well, stop overcomplicating things, because today I'm showing you a simple, super yet insanely powerful DIY mask that can help clear acne, fade sunspots, and even out your skin tone, all with just 3 natural ingredients. So no more excuses. It's time to glow up naturally with safe, effective, and budget-friendly skincare. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new DIY beauty secret. Let's get glowing! In a clean bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, the secret to smooth, matte skin. It helps absorb excess oil, tighten pores, and calm inflammation, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. Then, half teaspoon of turmeric. This golden ingredient is loaded with curcumin, which fades dark spots, reduces acne, and brightens skin tone while fighting inflammation. And finally, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Packed with lactic acid, it gently exfoliates, brightens dull skin, and fights acne-causing bacteria. It also hydrates and soothes irritated skin. By the way, if you want to know all the amazing benefits of yogurt for skincare, I have a full video about it. Be sure to check it out. Together, these 3 ingredients create the ultimate glow-up mask, gentle yet powerful. Stir everything until you get a smooth paste. Apply evenly to a clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 20 minutes and let the magic happen. Then, rinse off with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions. Pat dry and always moisturize after using any mask. For best results, use this mask 3 times a week. Consistency is key. Here are some pro tips for best results. Patch test first. Turmeric can be strong on sensitive skin. If you have dry skin, add a few drops of honey for extra hydration. And if turmeric stains your skin, gently remove it with milk or toner. Always apply sunscreen after using brightening masks. You have to protect that glow. And that's it, Bilaras. A simple, safe, and powerful DIY mask to fight acne, fade sunspots, and give you that even-toned, glowing complexion. No more excuses. Your glow up is in your hands. Try this mask 3 times a week and see the difference for yourself. Have you ever used turmeric in your skincare before? Let me know in the comments. You can learn more ways to use this golden ingredient to fight hyperpigmentation in my full video on turmeric skincare linked in the description. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare secrets every week. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!